Okay, so hi everyone. Today we're going to look at some sales questions. Now, I'm using sales to refer to when stores have buy one get one promotions, or if you purchase a certain number of items, you get either the same or different items free, so it comes as part of the promotion, right? So that is what I'm going to refer to as a sale. And we have these 5 questions to look at, so let's just get right into it. So for this first question, a stationery store is having a sale. With the purchase of 6 pens, you get a free notebook. Gabrielle buys a total of 30 pens. How many notebooks does she receive? So what we're going to look at is something I call the sale bundle, which is essentially a combination of what you pay for and what you get free. So the sale bundle is 6 pens and so plus 1 notebook. So every 6 pens, and I'll write this down, every 6 pens you receive 1 notebook. Now Gabrielle buys 30 pens. So let's see how many times we can get 6 pens in 30 pens, right? And that will actually be equal to the number of notebooks. So we can put one time, we can put number of notebooks would be 30 divided by 6, which is actually 5 notebooks, right? Now this means that, this division here means that she gets 6 pens in 30 pens 5 times, right? 5 groups of 6 in 30, which means that every group of 6, she's going to get 1 notebook. So if she has 5 groups of 6, she gets 5 free notebooks, right? And that is your answer for question 1. So now let's take a look at question 2. Okay, so question 2 says, a craft store is having a promotion. For every 2 bottles of glue purchased, a customer will receive a free pack of wooden sticks. Each bottle of glue costs $15. Michael purchased only glue and spent a total of $105. So how many packs of wooden sticks did he receive? Right, so the promotion is that for every 2 bottles of glue, you get a free pack of wooden sticks. They also give us information on the pricing of the glue and how much Michael actually spent at the craft store. So they give us this information so we can actually find out how many bottles of glue Michael purchased. So we'll say number of bottles of glue bought right now. If he spent $105 in total and each bottle cost $15, we will divide 105 by 15, and that gives us 7 bottles of glue. Right now, every 2 bottles of glue is 1 pack of sticks. So the sale bundle would be the 2 bottles of glue that you buy, or 2 bottles of glue, and the 1 free pack of wooden sticks, right? So 1 pack of wooden sticks. So now let's find out how many sale bundles Michael would have received. So the number of sale bundles, what we do is we can actually divide 7 by 2, and that's 3 remainder 1, which means that he actually received 3 full sale bundles, as in 2 bottles of glue plus 1 pack of wooden sticks. So that also means that the number of wooden sticks, or the number of packs of wooden sticks, is going to be 3. Now, some of you might be wondering, what is this remainder 1 here? This remainder 1 is really an extra bottle of glue that Michael would have bought, and this is not enough to earn him a free pack of wooden sticks, right? So he needs 2 bottles of glue to receive a pack of wooden sticks. That's what's in the sale bundle here. So 1 bottle of glue, 1 extra bottle of glue would not have earned him another pack of wooden sticks. Now, if he had bought 1 extra bottle of glue, then he would have had 8 bottles of glue, and 8 divided by 2 is 4, right? So he would have had 4 sale bundles, which means he would have received 4 packs of wooden sticks. But your answer in this case is 3. The remainder 1 is an extra bottle of glue. That's what it represents. An extra bottle of glue that is not enough to receive another pack of wooden sticks. So that is your answer for question 2. Let's move on to question 3. Okay, so on to question 3. A mechanic shop is having a sale. With the purchase of 2 bottles of gas treatment, the customer receives a free oil change. Each bottle costs $35. If the store made $735 from gas treatment sales on Monday, then how many free oil changes were done on Monday? So let's actually find out how many bottles of gas treatment they sold, right? So let's say number, switch to pen there, number of bottles of gas treatment. Now, the question told us that they made $735 from gas treatment sales. So the total was $735, and each bottle of gas treatment costs $35. So 735 divided by 35, you can do this division yourself. That is 21, right? So that means that 21 bottles of gas treatment were sold, right? Now, the sale bundle is 2 bottles of gas treatment and 1 free oil change. So let's write that down. Sale bundle. Two bottles gas treatment plus 1 free oil change. So let's find out how many free oil changes we had. So the number of free oil changes what we'll do is we will divide that 21 by 2, since every 2 bottles of gas treatment sold represents 1 free oil change, according to our sale bundle. So 21 divided by 2 is 10 remainder 1, which means that 10 free oil changes were given that day on Monday. So again, the remainder 1 represents a bottle of gas treatment sold that was not enough for another free oil change, right? For another free oil change, if it were 22 bottles of gas treatment sold, then the mechanic shop would have done 11 free oil changes. So this is similar to question 2, where we had that remainder 1, right? We need an extra bottle of gas treatment sold here to warrant another free oil change. So that means that only 10 free oil changes were given, and this extra 1 here was purchased, and this person would not have received an oil change with that purchase. So that's your answer for question 3, 10 free oil changes. Now let's move on to question 4. Okay, so question 4 says, a bakery is having a cupcake sale. With the purchase of 4 cupcakes, an additional 2 are given free. Maria participates in the sale and walks away with 38 cupcakes. So this means that she walks away with 38 cupcakes altogether. So the ones that she paid for plus the free ones. If each cupcake costs $4, how much did Maria spend at the bakery? So let's find out what our sale bundle is. From the question, it looks like our sale bundle is 4 cupcakes that you pay for and 2 cupcakes free. So 2 are given free. So we have 4 paid cupcakes and 2 free cupcakes. So plus 2 free cupcakes, which is equal to 6 cupcakes altogether. So the 4 paid plus the 2 free. Now let's find out how many sale bundles Maria would have received. So the number of sale bundles, if she received 38 cupcakes altogether, we will divide 38 by 6, the 6 cupcakes in the bundle. Now 38 divided by 6 would be 6 remainder 2, which means that she received 6 full sale bundles and 2 extra cupcakes. Right now this remainder 2 represents 2 extra cupcakes that were bought, and these 2 cupcakes were again not enough to receive an additional free cupcakes, right? So if she had bought 2 more, she would have received 2 more, right? She would have had 4, and that would have been enough to receive an additional 2 free cupcakes. So let's figure out how many cupcakes she actually bought. Now in the sale bundle, in one sale bundle, we have 4 paid cupcakes and 2 free cupcakes. And Maria received 6 sale bundles. So for each bundle, she would have paid for 4 cupcakes, right? So her number of cupcakes bought would be the 4 that she paid for 6 times. So 6 times 4, 6 sale bundles by 4 paid cupcakes. And this is where our remainder comes into play, because these remaining 2 were purchased. They were not free, so we have to add them on. Right? We multiply 6 times 4, which is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. So that means that out of the 38 cupcakes Maria walks away with, she actually paid for 26 of them. Right? They ask now, how much did she spend at the bakery? So her total bill, each cupcake costs $4. So her total bill would be 26 times $4, since she bought 26 cupcakes. And that's going to be equal to $104. And that's your answer for question 4. So let's move on now to question 5. Okay, so the last question we're going to look at today is question 5. Question 5 reads, in a clothing store sale, with the purchase of 4 pairs of socks, a customer receives an additional pair free. Each pair costs $12. Now Jason participates in the sale and spends a total of $228. How many pairs of socks did he receive in total? Now let's find out the number of pairs of socks he actually purchased. Now he spent a total of $228. So the number of pairs of socks purchased, and let's just say number of pairs purchased, is going to be equal to $228 divided by 12, and that gives me 19 pairs of socks. Now the sale is if you purchase 4 pairs of socks, you're going to receive 1 additional pair free. So your sale bundle is going to be equal to 4 paid pairs plus 1 free pair. And that gives us 5 pairs of socks in total. Now, the number of sale bundles, we're not going to divide 19 by 5 this time, because the 19 actually comes from only the pairs that Jason would have purchased, right? So the number of sale bundles would now be 19 divided by the number of paid pairs of socks, which is 4 pairs in the sale bundle, right? So we're looking to see how many times 4 can go into 19, and that is 4 times with a remainder of 3, right? So that means that Jason would have purchased 4 pairs of socks 4 times, and then 3 extra pairs of socks. Now this means that a free pair of socks was received 4 times, and Jason also purchased 3 extra pairs of socks, that's his remainder, which did not earn him an additional free pair of socks, right? So if Jason would have purchased 20 pairs of socks, then he would have gotten 5 free pairs of socks. But since he only purchased 19, then he can only receive 4 free pairs of socks. So the number of free pairs is now equal to 4, right? Which means that the total number of pairs received, so the total number of pairs of socks received is equal to 4 plus 19, which is equal to 23 pairs in total. So the 23 pairs would account for his 19 paid pairs and his 4 additional free pairs of socks. So Jason would have received 23 pairs in total. And that's your answer for question 5, which brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all learned something, and I will see you all next time.